Hi, this is Jay Lakhani, your Forex educator from Bindalfx. Welcome to this week's video tutorial. Hi, this is Jay Lakhani, your Forex educator from Bindalfx. In this video tutorial, I'd like to focus on the Indian rupees as against the US dollar. Whilst I've been in India in the recent weeks, I've certainly been giving a lot of advice and guidance to a number of Indian institutions, exporters, importers, who have certainly an exposure to the US dollar or indeed a number of foreign currencies. Obviously, in the recent past, what we have seen is an extremely weak Indian dollar, and this has resulted into massive losses by number of very big companies because they simply did not see the rupee weakening against the US dollar. Now, what I'm really going to do here is to show you uh, purely from a technical analysis point of view because I'm a technical analyst. I don't focus on fundamental analysis for my decision making because, as I've often mentioned, that the chart knows the news, the chart knows the fundamental analysis, and the chart is an area which measures the fear and the greed, the fight between the bulls and the bear, the demand and supply, and so on. Yeah. So looking at this chart very simply, as I say, I've got nothing there except the price, the 21 period EMA. So in this case, we're looking at the weekly chart, and I've got an indicator which is called MACD. And one of the uses, is one of the things which I tend to focus on MACD is to look for a divergence. So up here on the weekly chart, what we do see there is we had a brilliant divergence there. Okay, you see the prices coming down, whereas the indicator was going up. So the indicator was doing different to what the price was doing. Yeah. Secondly, what we then had was the price at this point crossing the 21 period EMA. Up until now, as you can see, it's really acting on as a great resistance. After it crosses, it retests the breakout point, and that basically confirms the bull move in the US dollar. And of course, if you look at it from the Indian perspective, it is an extremely bearish chart. So the Indian rupee virtually collapsed to a record low of 50 rupees to a dollar. And certainly, when we had this big dollar bull run, lots and lots of Indian companies suffered extensive losses. Many companies I've been talking to, some of them have been so frightened because of their dollar exposure, and some of them are literally piling in here. Okay, so what you do say is that is the fear creeping in, right? Now the big question is will we see a big time retracement? Certainly, I think it is on cards. Whilst at this moment in time, certainly the dollar is very bullish. Okay, but we have had a very big run, right, from a bottom of 39 reaching at 50. I mean, that is a huge increase in the dollar against the Indian rupees. However, having said that, look, I mean, I do have a divergence there. Okay, I've got a break of the trend line right? Trend line support that's been broken, but the 21 period EMA is holding on. So, from a dollar point, it is bullish, right? It is bullish. Uh, However, this rally is running out of steam, because if you really look at it, I'm now getting a 1 to 3 setup being created here, although it's not fully confirmed yet. It would be confirmed once you have a break of the 21 period EMA. And I think once that happens, then I can certainly see the Indian rupee strengthening aggressively against the dollar. I hope this week's video tutorial was useful to you. Should you have any questions, feel free to email me. The email is info@forexforyou.net. In addition to that, you may want to visit our websites, which has got a lot of information, free information which you can download. You can subscribe to our range of services. We have the weekly video tutorials on www.forexmentor.net. The cost is £250 for 12 months. What you get is weekly video tutorials. We discuss charts, we discuss training materials, we discuss currency pairs or commodity that you can put on your watch list. In addition to that, if you subscribe to this service, you also get 20 hours of free follow-up of live trading and live training. And this is done on our Hotcom webinar. You may want to consider purchasing the Home Study Forex Guide. The cost is £195, which is in effect the Bindalfx Forex system. Website is www.forexforyou.net. We also have seminars worldwide as live trading day. So again, full details on our website. God bless and happy trading. Goodbye.